Okay, everybody. Well, welcome to Kaya's makeup, kind of with crazy eyes. There's gonna be crazy eyes for this one. Oh, the headband's gone. Is this after? Is this after the makeup been done? Is that it? It's over. Okay. Well, thanks everyone for watching the cool makeup video and Jake narrating. It's been super fun. Oh, no, we're back to the beginning. Okay. So this is the glow kit using a brush that it is not being used for paint. Can you believe it? In fact, none of the brushes in this video are being used for paint. How bizarre that there are brushes that people use on their faces. When you actually think about it, it's rather strange. Okay, so what you want to do is sort of emulate perfect lighting. I think that's what we're doing here. We're going against God's will, and we're making sure that you have constant lighting with you at all times. Constant perfect lighting is as if you're constantly perfectly lit. Okay, we're using a bit of brown, I guess, you know, because, you know, who really has the time to, you know, sleep for 2 hours a day and, you know, get the natural sleepy look. Let's just sort of, you know, paint it on. Let's paint on tiredness, shall we? Or an iron deficiency. One of those things. It's one of those things that gives you, like, dark circles around your eyes, right? And now we add a light color around it just to make sure that people know that you're extremely tired. Remember, if people aren't asking you what you have come down with, then you haven't done it well enough. Gotta make sure you do the other side. So, you need to, put a little bit of silver stuff in the corner of your eyes, because there's a reason for this. There's definitely a reason for this. I'm sure there is. Let me just Google that. I couldn't find a reason. Okay, so we're moving on to the next bit, and we're putting another random subtle color on the eyelids. You couldn't imagine not doing this bit right now. Because, let me tell you, oh boy, if you didn't do this bit, all sorts of things. You'd get YouTube hate comments, you'd be demonetized, and you'd be forced to pursue a career on Twitch. Okay, so here we are, we're doing something else with a little pot now, and the tiniest little pointless brush of... Look at that. Look at that, it's a black, it's eyeliner, it's a pot of it. I've only ever seen pencils. Okay, let's just pretend that I don't know a lot about makeup. Let's just pretend I'm an idiot. Oh boy, look at that. It's like a little felt tip. A little felt tip by like Crayola or something. Did Crayola do that? I don't know. Just sort of drawing it on, just like, hey. Look. I have incredible dexterity. That's what I'm really showing you with my makeup. Oh, I messed it up a little. I guess it's time for wing eyeliner today. Remember, girls. Remember people who wear makeup. If you screw it up, wing it out. And if you keep screwing it up, you just keep making those wings bigger and bigger. Again, symmetry is the key here. You want to make sure that you're consistent. Make sure you fuck up on both sides. You can't have... I mean, obviously you don't wing one side, and then you try and do the other side the original way you were gonna do it. You wing both. Nice little bit of ISO light change here. Do you see that? The ISO changed, now it's darker. That's fantastic. So remember, kids, the reason why goths do winged eyeliner is because they're trying to attain the one thing that all goths want, and that is to attain the power of flight. And here we are using what looks like a miniature version of a medieval battle weapon to apply even more black to the micro hairs that surround her eyes. Oh, and she fucked up. It might be all over. It looks like... Yeah, do you know what, Tim? I think maybe it might be all over. Okay, so as if the eyelashes that you were born with were not enough, it is time to get out that PVA glue, and stick extra bits of fabric and plastic to your face. And here are ones that she made earlier. And there's a little bit of Jeffrey here. Who are you wearing, girl? Oh, it's Jeffrey. That's actually a really good shade. That's right. So, now, the aim with this is to make sure that every guy wants to kiss you, but they are most certainly not going to. It's the same reason why guys don't invite girls back who wear a load of fake tan. They don't want to be washing that stuff out of their sheets, you know? They don't want to be like, you know, going out, kissing ladies, covered in makeup. Do you think they want to be covered in that at the end of the day? I don't think they do. And there we have it. We have the this is basic everyday look. You can go into Sainsbury's and people won't point and stare. And that's the end. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. It's been super fun. We'll see you next time. Bye everyone.